Pelling, Sikkim, the hidden gem of the Himalayas. Imagine waking up to the sight of the mighty Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world, surrounded by lush green valleys and ancient monasteries. Welcome to Pelling, a breathtaking hill town in Sikkim that offers an unmatched blend of adventure, spirituality, and natural beauty. Unlike crowded tourist spots, Pelling is a paradise waiting to be explored, with its mesmerizing waterfalls, centuries-old monasteries, and stunning viewpoints. In this video, we take you on an unforgettable journey through Pelling, uncovering its hidden gems, thrilling activities, and cultural wonders. Getting to Pelling. Pelling is located in the western part of Sikkim, around 130 kilometers from Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. The nearest airport is Pakyong Airport, and the closest major railway station is in New Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. From there, you can take a scenic road trip to Pelling, passing through winding mountain roads, dense forests, and small Himalayan villages. The drive itself is an experience, with breathtaking views at every turn. The best time to visit Pelling. Pelling is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is between March and May or from September to November. Spring brings blooming rhododendrons and clear mountain views, while autumn offers crisp air and vibrant landscapes. Winter, from December to February, turns Pelling into a winter wonderland with occasional snowfall, making it a perfect retreat for snow lovers. Top attractions in Pelling. 1. Pemayangtse Monastery. One of the oldest and most important monasteries in Sikkim, Pemayangtse Monastery offers a peaceful atmosphere and intricate Buddhist artwork. It is a must-visit for those seeking spiritual and cultural experiences. 2. Rabdentse Ruins. Once the second capital of Sikkim, Rabdentse now stands as a fascinating historical site surrounded by dense forests. The ruins offer stunning views of Kanchenjunga and a glimpse into Sikkim's royal past. 3. Skywalk Pelling, India's first glass skywalk. This thrilling attraction provides a breathtaking view of the valley below and is located near the towering Tsenre Sikh statue. If you love adventure, this spot is a must-visit. 4. Kanchenjunga Falls. One of the most famous waterfalls in Sikkim, this powerful cascade is a sight to behold, especially during the monsoon season. The refreshing atmosphere makes it a great spot for relaxation and photography. 5. Khicheopalri Lake. Known as the wish-fulfilling lake, this sacred lake is surrounded by dense forests and holds great spiritual significance for Buddhists and Hindus. The calm waters and tranquil surroundings make it a perfect place to unwind. 6. Singshaw Bridge. One of the highest suspension bridges in Asia, Singshaw Bridge offers panoramic views of deep gorges and green valleys. Walking across it is both thrilling and awe-inspiring. Have you ever been to Pelling? Or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Adventure activities in Pelling. For adventure lovers, Pelling offers incredible opportunities for trekking, paragliding, and rock climbing. Treks like the Yuksom Dzongri Trek and the Goichala Trek start from nearby locations and take you deep into the Himalayas. If you love birdwatching, the dense forests around Pelling are home to rare Himalayan birds. Local cuisine and where to stay. A trip to Pelling is incomplete without trying Sikkimese cuisine. Local delicacies like momos, thukpa, bhagushapa, and churpi, fermented cheese, are a must-try. You can enjoy these dishes at cozy cafes and traditional restaurants. For accommodation, Pelling offers a variety of options, from budget homestays to luxury resorts. If you want to stay with breathtaking mountain views, there are plenty of hotels that offer rooms with balconies facing Kanchenjunga. Pelling is not just a travel destination, it's an experience that stays with you forever. Whether you seek adventure, spirituality, or simply a peaceful retreat in the lap of nature, this Himalayan wonderland has it all. If you're planning a trip to Sikkim, make sure Pelling is on your list. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure.